Welcome to the Ross Coat Podcast. This podcast is about building community around powder coating. Join us in this episode as we introduce you to the enigmatic, energetic, and passionate man behind Roro Designs, Ronan Heatley Smith. He's talkative, infectious, and unwavering in his authentic style as we discuss his process and philosophy behind his company. We'll blaze a trail from how he built his one man brand to the pitfalls of social media. And don't worry about taking notes because today we're giving you a free bonus. We've summarized the top 10 takeaways from our talk with Roro in our Build a Better Brand report. In it, you'll gain key insights based on the latest survey results from powder coaters just like you, plus the bonus top 10 with Roro. Find out what you're missing to help your business brand better. It's a free report. Just sign up now by clicking the link in the description. Now, buckle up and let's get ready to level up your powder coater game.